have discussed all about algebraic expressions. Now we will discuss the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So firstly, we will discuss addition of algebraic expressions. So let's take two terms. The first one is 3x and the second one is 4x. We have two terms. First one is 3x and the second one is 4x. Now we will add both of these terms. So firstly write 3x as it is. After this the sign of addition, and after this the second term, that is 4x. Firstly we will check either both of these are like terms or unlike terms, because addition is possible if both the terms are like terms. If these are unlike terms, then addition can't be possible. So this is 3x and this is 4x. Both of these are like terms, so addition is possible. Now we will add both of these terms. 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7x. So firstly we will check whether both of these are like terms or not. Here both the variables are same, so these are like terms. Now we will add both of these terms. 3x plus 4x, that is equal to 7x. Let's take another example, that is 4x and the second variable is 5y. We have two terms or two variables, that is 4x and 5y. Now let's check, are these like terms or unlike terms? Here is 4x and here is 5y. Are these like terms? No, these are unlike terms. So the addition can't be possible. And the third example is minus a plus 2b minus 3c and 4a plus 7b minus 9c. Now we have two algebraic expressions. The first one is minus a plus 2b minus 3c and the second one is 4a plus 7b minus 9c. Now we will add both of these expressions. So minus a plus 2b minus 3c and 4a plus 7b minus 9c. Now we will add both of these expressions. So minus 9 minus 3, both these signs are same. If there are like signs, then there will be the operation of addition. 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12. And the sign with the greater term. It means minus 9 minus 3c, that is equal to minus 12c. After this, we will add both of these like terms. That is 7b plus 2b. Now 7b plus 2b, that is equal to 9b. Now the sign of addition. Now 4a minus a plus minus minus, that is equal to 3a. So it is a required algebraic expression. Now we will discuss the subtraction of algebraic expression. Same here, the subtraction is possible if both the variables or both the terms are like terms. Let's take an example, that is minus 15a from 12a. Now we want to subtract minus 15a from 12a. And the solution is, we will write the term that is with from in the first, that is 12a, and the sign of subtraction, because we want to subtract, so we will put here the sign of subtraction. and after this we will write minus 15a, that is our second term. Now minus 12a as it is, and minus, both of these are like signs, so these will convert into the sign of addition, that is 12a plus 15a. Now 12 plus 15, that is equal to 27. So the answer is 27a. And the second example is a minus 8 from 15. We have two terms. The first one is a minus 8 and the second one is 15. Now we want to subtract a minus 8 from 15. So what we will write in the first? We will write 15 in the first, and we will put here the sign of subtraction, and after this the second expression, that is a minus 8. Now we will write 15 as it is, and after this we will open these brackets. When we will open these brackets, if the sign of subtraction is in the front, then the all signs get changed. Means here the sign of addition, so it will get changed into subtraction, means minus a. Here is subtraction, so it will change into addition, that is plus 8. Now we will check the like terms, that is 15 and 8. Both of these are constants, so we can add both of these, that is 15 plus 8 is equal to 23 and minus a as it is. So with this method you can do the subtraction of algebraic expressions.